Liv Pure, scam or real opportunity? That's what we're going to find out in this short video. It's been a month since I joined Liv Pure, and we're all going to look at the results I've achieved. To summarize, Liv Pure is what allows you to lose 15 pounds in 2 months. But it reminds me that I forgot to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Miranda, and some time ago I was exactly in your situation. I couldn't lose weight. I tried everything to shed those extra pounds. And ever since I had my child, it was almost impossible for me to lose any pounds, so I stopped believing I could lose weight. I had tried everything, but each time it ended in failure. And whenever I lost a bit of weight, I would gain it back instantly. It was horrible. But one day, I came across an email talking about Liv Pure, and just as I saw this email, my phone fell to the ground and accidentally clicked the button to join the page you see on the screen. And I don't really believe in coincidences. Why would I have, by chance, clicked on such an opportunity? Well, at first I was a bit skeptical, but I thought I had nothing to lose. So I had no excuse to hesitate anymore. So I tried it for a month, and here are the results. I have never had such fast and lasting results. In 60 days, I finally lost 15 pounds. But that's not all. My colleagues at work see a completely different person. My energy level is comparable to that of my 20s. And I can tell you that my relationship with my husband has changed. He sees the woman he married in his youth. It's not just pounds that were lost. My marriage was saved. So thank you, Liv Pure. Now that you've seen the results I achieved with Liv Pure, if you also want to benefit, I have put 2 links in the description. One link to read the Liv Pure article and another to accompany Liv Pure with delicious meals. Changed, and if I'm sharing this opportunity with you today, it's to help you distinguish the true from the false. It's so hard to find real programs these days that when I find one, I have to share it with you. So don't waste any more time and click now on the link in the description. By the way, you should know that I understand how unbearable your situation is. Anyway, you have seen the results I achieved. You have nothing to lose. So click now on the link in the description to join Liv Pure. I hope to see you among us. This was Miranda. See you soon on the other side.